What is happening? What's popping, guys? It's your boy E, aka Frugality FX. So today I'm going to show you how to trade forex from scratch, right? We're going to be starting from scratch, from somebody that know nothing, from a noob, from a rookie. I'm going to show you how to trade forex, right? So stay tuned. We get three kinds of trends. Firstly, we get a uptrend. Then I get secondly a downtrend, and third we get a sideways market. Sideways market. Okay. So these are the three kinds of trends, right? Downtrend, an uptrend, a downtrend, and a sideways market. So how do we spot an uptrend? We spot an uptrend by seeing higher highs and higher lows. And how do we spot a downtrend? We spot a downtrend by lower highs and lower lows. So this will be an uptrend. We're having a lower high, a higher high, and a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. That's how we know that's an uptrend, right? And how do we know of a downtrend? You see lower highs and lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay? I'll just put a sideways market. The market will be just bouncing up and down, up, down, up, down, but keeping the support and the same resistance constantly, same level, right? So that's how we spot sideways market, and this is uptrend. And of course, this is a downtrend. So those are three kinds of trend. So if you're trading forex as a beginner, we use something called support and resistance. Support and resistance. Support So when the market is failing to break a certain level from the downside, we call it a support. This is our support because the market is failing to break the downside. And if the market is failing to break the upside of a channel, we call it a resistance. This will be our resistance. And then also when the market is trending up, we get something called also a resistance on top. And the support at the bottom. Same thing on the downtrend. The resistance on top. Then we get our support at the bottom. Right. So these are our three kinds of trend. We get an uptrend, we get a downtrend, and we get a sideways market. So how do we come by buying and selling? How do we buy and sell? So every time market touches a certain line at least two times, it becomes a valid level of resistance. We need at least two touches to validate a line to make it a strong level of resistance or support. In this case, we're looking for a resistance level, so we got two touches on the top. We call it a strong level of resistance or a self-sensitivity line. We call it a self-sensitivity line, right? And then the third time we see a touch, we immediately sell. We immediately sell because we know that the market failed to break this line 2 times. So we're gonna sell. And where do we get out? We get out on the bottom side because we also had 2 touches on the bottom side. We need at least 2 touches on the bottom side. And then we get out down here when the market touches the support level. When the market come down here, we buy again to go up, right? How do we trade sideways market? I do not advise to trade sideways market because sideways market don't last. Sideways market don't really last. We're either buying or we're selling. We're either buying or we're selling. We really don't want to focus on the sideways market because that's where a lot of traders lose their money. So for now, we only focus on the uptrend and downtrend. Not for now, but in general, we only focus on the uptrend and the downtrend. When it's a sideways market, we do not trade, right? So this is a level of the uptrend, sideways market, and a downtrend. Now we're gonna go to an actual chart and try to spot this kind of moves, right? So I'm gonna remove everything, and then I'm gonna try to show you guys how it actually works on the chart. So we're gonna plot our levels right here. I'm gonna let it play a little bit so I can get a valid chart. And then these 2 levels on the bottom to validate a level of support, 2 touches on the top to validate a level of resistance. So let's see what is happening here. Okay, we got it. We actually got a trend right here. I got 2 touches on the bottom. I'm gonna clone this line and then I'm gonna put it on top. Of course, in forex trading, when you're using a level of support and resistance, if you clone the lines, the most likely to give you the same level of price action. The most likely to be parallel lines. All I'm looking for is a touch to the downside, and I'll place a buy trade because we're anticipating a buy when the market touches the line. Okay, so let's see if we're gonna get a touch at the line. There we go. We got a touch down here. So now I want to see if this level is gonna hold. Okay. There we go. The market did not break the level. The market did not break the level. That's great stuff. The market did not break the level. So if the market had fell down here, if we entered a buy trade, we would have easily gained a lot of pips. We would have easily gained a lot of pips. It's a lot of money right there. Basically, just from the basics, we haven't got into using indicators, we're just using support and resistance. And we're already got a successful trade. We've been in deep profits and get out of the trade. That's beautiful. Let's keep watching. I'm gonna lengthen the line. There we go. Man, that's a lot of money down here. That's a lot of money. So now I'm gonna pause and delete this line. I'm going to clone this line. Just because of this, I'm going to sell now. I'm anticipating the market to hold this level. Let's see if it's gonna sell from here. You see it? Based just the basics. We're only using the basics. You could have made a lot of money here. This is a daily chart. If you sold it here, you'd have made a lot of money because the level held, the market fell. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at that. We literally sold here and the market did not come back to the same level. The market did not come back to the same level. We sold here. Anything below this level, we're in profit. Anything below this line is in profit. It's in profit. Now we break even, but of course we've gotten out quite out a lot of time, long time ago. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to trade on a downtrend. Uptrend is working. Let's go trade a downtrend. Okay, let's trade a downtrend. There you go. I want to show you something quickly. It's a downtrend. It only sell when it touches the line, right? All we need are two touches, right? All we need are two touches. We only need two touches, right? Okay, that's our first touch. Touch a second touch. Now with it, a resisting trend line, right? All we got was the first two touches. Now with a resisting trend line. This is all we needed. This level and this level. So all we're waiting for now is the third touch, and then we're selling. Whenever the market's gonna touch the trend line, we're selling, right? We're using the basics. We're using the basics only. Look, basics only. We wait. It's a waiting game. Forex trading is a waiting game. You do not trade if the market is not where you're looking to get in. You wait. So we're looking for the third touch, and then we're selling. You're gonna wait. You're gonna wait for the touch. You're waiting for that touch. You're waiting for the touch. All we're waiting for is for third touch, and we're selling the market. We got the touch. We got the touch. We got the touch. We got the touch. Sell right at the line. Stop loss above. And take profits. We're gonna follow the market. We're riding the trend. We're riding the trend, and it is selling. It is selling. It is selling right there. Look at that. The power of the third touch. Look at that. This is money we're making, right? We're making a lot of money right now. A lot of money we're making right now. Look at that. You can buy a house and a car right there. But we're out. I'll probably be out a long time ago because look, this is a lot of money. You don't want to let risk the money and then you want to risk your profits again. You know, you win, you get out. You win, you take a profit, you get out. Then you come back again tomorrow, win your money, get up. Now we don't trade sideways markets, so I don't advise to trade sideways markets. So that's it for now, guys. It's just the basics. It's your boy E signing out.